everybody. I wanted to let you all know I finished my house painting. So my husband and I, we did finish painting the house, and if anybody's interested, I'll insert a picture at the end of the before and after so you can see what we did. But anyway, wanted to share a crafty haul with you all. There are some items from Stampin' Up. This is a new bundle, Make a Difference, that will be available for ordering. I believe it's May 1st. And this is a nice alpha set. It's got uppercase, lowercase, and some of the, doubles that you may need to do stamping with. Some little images. There's even a regular font that's more like the Arial font, I guess, that you see on a computer. There's numbers, and then you get these little stamps for the back of your cards, or even for your websites and such. So there's even a to and from. So this is a really nice complete set. This is a photopolymer set. So you can see here it's got 2 sheets of the stamps. That's backwards, sorry. So yeah, I picked this one up. This is 146676 if you're interested in ordering this. I believe it's, again, available May 1st. This one is called Love What You Do. There is a bundle for all of these things, but I ordered a la carte. This is 148042. The stamp set is Love What You Do. And I just like that painterly look. This, again, is photopolymer. This is the new packaging for Stampin' Up. They're changing their packaging to this black and white scheme. And there's some flowers in here. And these little splotches for painted look. And then our watercolor look. And then these sentiments. So pretty nice. Oh, I forgot to say, this is this a layered stamp set? I think you can put these together. Maybe it's not layered, but it's meant to, you know what I mean, be like a bunch of flowers. So there's that. And then I got the new inks. I wanted to show you here's the old ink pads, and they switched. Apparently, from what I've understood, is that they changed the ink pads so that, because they were going to retire the machine that makes this mold, which is a good thing, a good chance or opportunity to redesign their ink pad cases, which they did do. So now they stack nicely, and you could see these little 4 divots in the top. That is to allow the feet on the bottom to be stackable. So, they stack nicely. They don't fall all over the place like with these ink pads, and they're also easier to open. So these are the new ink colors for the next 2 years. And this is not a red, it's more of a hot pink, but these colors are really pretty. I like this grapefruit one a lot, but all of the colors are really pretty. I do like them. The new ink pads, in case you haven't seen them, instead of the way you had to push this with your thumb, flip it over, push it again, and lock it in place, you don't have to do that with these. They're a little bit easier to open. Instead of pushing out, you just flip it up like a compact. Like a makeup compact, and then you slide it down. And mine are a little hard to push because these are new, but after using them a couple of times, they should become easier to open and close. Now, the other thing they've done is, if you are one of those people who keeps your ink pads open while you're stamping, there is another sticker to put on the inside. See, in that little groove there? So cute. You can always tell which ink pad you're using, and you don't get them mixed up. Because a lot of times the colors look the same when you're looking down at the pad itself. So you have the index here, and you have it on the inside, which is a very good idea. So you get the 2 stickers for that. So these are the new colors, ink colors. And then I got some stuff from the Sweet Stamp Shop. And what's really funny is, I thought these 2 stamps were just opposites of each other, but they're not. This one is a unicorn. This one is called Sprinkles, and if you look closely, it's an ice cream cone on top of his head with the ice cream and sprinkles up there. So I had to get that. Really cute. And then I got the donut letters. I don't know that. Letter donut is what it's called. So it's the entire alphabet with some punctuation in sort of a donut style. So you can see the sprinkles there. This one's called Sprinkles Unicorn, and then this one's called Sky Unicorn. And then I got this star background. Thought that would be fun to emboss, heat emboss. So this one's called Starry Night. And then the last thing I got is the Narwhal Explore the Sea set. And these are really good size. Like, you can see how big they are compared to my hand. I really love this set. There's even a little girl in here snorkeling. So these are all narwhals, and then you get the horns, and there's a shell here, and then some sentiments, a little heart, and a shell. Okay. The last thing I got was from the Ton. This was a pre-order, limited pre-order, or not pre-order, but reorder. This is 2 sets of dies that come together that make a 3-dimensional pop-up peony. So if you cut all of these leaves and assemble it together, it creates a peony that will fold down into a card. So that was kind of a neat idea that I wanted to try it out. So anyway, that's my haul for today, and stay tuned if you want to see the before and after shots of the painting we did. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.